The Smartline project was initiated on the back of a lot of work we've been doing around the needs of the community for improved health and well-being. The university initiated the project in collaboration with Cornwall Council, Coastline Housing and Volunteer Cornwall.
I'm Mark England, I'm the Head of Technical Services for Coastline Housing. We're a registered social landlord with over 4,000 homes in Cornwall. Smartline project's a really innovative project where we're looking at 350 homes which will have sensors fitted in them.
In a sealed house you get issues. You can get issues with mould growth, you can get issues with respiratory health from that. Indoor air pollution is emerging as a major issue in people's health and well-being.
Coastline has a huge amount of data about its homes. We've collected lots and lots of asset management information, and what we'd like to do is, and what we are going to do is share that across with the university and make sure that we can actually look at trends and the reasons behind certain situations in certain homes.
There's a potential for Smartline to give us a good idea of how people are interacting with their houses, of how their houses themselves are built, and so that we can get an idea on what is really driving these health issues.
One of the real outcomes would be trying to stimulate business in Cornwall, where businesses can look at the information that we're going to give them and give them access to, and trying to really get those businesses to start thinking about how do we avoid certain situations in homes, particularly the humidity issue, maybe low temperature. Can we create apps? Can we create different pieces of software? Is there some additional hardware that could be created which will allow us to stop those things happening, or certainly alert the right people to be able to intervene and help people who may be getting into fuel poverty and actually don't realise it at that point. In a perfect world, we work with the university on a day-to-day basis. I would sort of really encourage, that if we can have projects running every day, that would be great. Coastline Housing is very open to this sort of approach, and we're very keen to learn a lot more about our homes and how they operate.